Welcome back to our channel. My name is Joseph Apiaduku here at Nalo Solutions. This is the beginning of a series of videos we are going to make to help you, our valued customer, know how to use our platform and even better. In today's video, we are going to learn how to send personalized SMSs to our customers. What are personalized SMSs? Personalized SMSs are SMSs we send to targeted audience who are readily available to receive our campaigns. Here is how we send personalized SMSs on the Nalo Solutions portal. Log in with your username and password. Thereafter, click on bulk SMS. Download the sample file if you've not sent an SMS before. The sample file will assist you on what parameters you need to send your personalized SMSs. Now, after downloading and editing, upload it onto the platform. Choose your preferred sender ID. Here I choose Nalo. And then I type in my message. Now, after uploading and validating the file, you see that the personalized checkbox have been activated for you. Tap on it and then select the type of personalization that you want to do. Now you can see that all of the personalization fields that we use is populated here. I use name, number, promo code, company, and source. So let me show you how to do it. So hello, the name, who I want to send it to. Now, after sending the type of personalization you want, you may want to look at your preview phone to see how your messages will appear on your customer's phone. Yes, this is how I want it. And then you tap on send to complete sending your personalized message. Now, this is how to send a personalized message using the Nalo Solutions portal. If you have any questions, queries, or suggestions, you can shoot me a comment at the comment section or send me an email at jaeduku@nalosolutions.com. Thank you.